If you are concerned about your or your partner's snoring, you are right to be worried. Snoring, and specifically obstructive sleep apnea, OSA, is associated with many health issues. Loud snoring that is followed by pauses or interruption in breathing disrupts not just your sleep but also your partner's. Every pause, happening multiple times every hour, disrupts your ability to sleep deeply as your body is alerted to take another breath. It's important to be evaluated if you suffer from any of the symptoms commonly associated with snoring and OSA.